Okay, as you can see now, chip is perfectly reball. So let's remove it out of the jig. Let it cool off a little bit for a couple seconds. Right now it's on cool mode, so I'm just letting it cool down a little bit now. For the INT 968 Plus. That's the lovely part about that particular device. It works really, really well. Okay, so now the chip is cooled down. We'll go into the light and show you how it looks like when it's a perfectly reball chip. Okay, that's the GPU. That's how it looks like when it's perfectly reball. If you watch it in the distance, you'll see that all the balls are lined up pretty well. Once it lines up, you sorted well. Pretty neat, eh? There's one mod I was always say, very impressive. One skill I'm very, very impressive. Right? So that's how a reball chip looks like. Even if you're purchasing it on eBay or any other shiny site, it comes pre-balled, but you don't get with this size soda balls, which is 0.6. You'll get 0.5. Most of them just do what is called screen balling, where you put the chip on, that, and then you take this jig here, that, lined up. What did it put a sort of cream, a sort of paste, and then screen it all the way down. And then pull, and that's it. Reflow, and it automatically turns into soda balls. So that's how they just did it back then. But yeah, this is a perfectly beautiful reball. Xbox 360 GPU. So now it's just to put in here, and as I tell you, the process is very simple. You just simply line it like this, like that. Make sure that you get all the squares, like that, all around. Put the element on either top, bottom. Once you see settle, it's in. Hopefully it works. Okay. So this is basically a tester board, so I didn't really get too much about it. So this Xbox already done, reaches time. So anyhow, thank you for watching on how to use the BGA station. There's one I was speaking of. What I wish to tell you guys, reballing is a very, very tedious process. It's not for the faint of heart. Very time consuming, very frustrating. But as you can see how fast I've reballed that chip, you can see I have a good amount of knowledge and experience about it. But other than that, it's a very, very time consuming job. It's all about getting the right tools and using the right type of heat and all those sort of things. The reason why I use 350 degrees on the chip is because I want the soda balls to tack really fast onto the sort of pads of the BGA chip. If I don't do it at that temperature, it's going to take a while. I'm going to overheat the chip and it's going to cause another failure again, that kind of thing. Right? As you can see, notice how fast it actually jumps onto the pad because of the ideal temperature and ideal air pressure and that kind of thing, without using it too hard for it to blow away, that kind of thing. Good help I really want to thank is I want to thank a few friends who showed me how to get it done. BGAmods.uk. The admins, they put their little 2 cents in it, and they done a real good job. Well, thank you guys. Other than that, yeah, that's what BGA reballing does look like. A lot of people in Trinidad wouldn't show you that, but for me, everybody will say yeah, I could do it. They buy the equipment, buy everything, buy the soda balls, buy the fluxes, buy the jigs. Full system they do wasn't a success. I'm telling you honestly. Pros fail. I'm a pro. Not at this, but repairing, even modification. I'm a pro as well, but things fail. It's not our fault, right? It's all about how you put inside, how you apply this to that, get to work, Well, then that's how BGA modification is. Well, not BGA modification, but reballing of PS3s, Xbox 360s, Wii's, PS2s, laptops. That's how it actually looks like, but with a lot more bigger machine. I'm just using a small one. I don't really want to. You're not really in the mood to actually spend excess amount of money in this because profession is going to change just now. This industry in this country is already dying, so don't really want to stay too long in it and that kind of thing. So I decided to show it for the public. I know a lot of Trinidad people are going to get real pissed off at me because I showed the secret, but at the end of the day, it's online, man. A lot of people in the States do it, so why not here, you know? So anyhow, it's Mod Fun Cyborg speaking here. I want to thank you all for watching. If you have any questions or comments or any kind of opinion, let me know. Just write down in the comment below and I'll see what I could do. If you have an advice that you want to give me concerning the reflow or reballing, write it down and, put it down in the comment box and I'll write it down and keep that in hot, you know. So, this is Mod Fun Cyborg speaking here. Real talk. Peace.